morning, students. In today's class, we will study about the Indian Research Station in Antarctica. In previous class, we studied that India has set up its 3 research stations in Antarctica, which they are. First one is South Gangotri, which was set up in the year 1983 and completed in the beginning of 1984. Second, Maitri. The second research station is named Maitri. It was set up in the year 1989. And the third one is Bharati, which was in operation in the year 2012 but started its function in the year 2013. So about the South Gangotri we already studied in previous class. Today we will talk about the Maitri and the Bharati. First, we will come to know about the features of Maitri. This is the India's second permanent active research station. Maitri is the second India's permanent research station. It was set up in the year 1989. Then the name of this research station was suggested by the Prime Minister of India, the present Prime Minister, who was in the year 1989, Indira Gandhi. She suggested the name for this research station as Maitri. It was situated, the research station Maitri is situated on the Rocky Mountain region called the Srichmacha Oasis. This research station is situated on the Rocky Mountainous region, which is called as the Srichmacha Oasis. As oasis, you know, is a part on the desert, an area on the desert which have some water in it, and in the surrounding the trees are there. Here the oasis is there, that as we come to know that Antarctica is mostly covered with the ice and little water is found near this research station Maitri. Water or ice is in it, melted there, and it is in the liquid form. Then another feature of this research station, that here the experiment has been done in the field of geology, geography and medicine. Geology is the study of the matter of the rocks or the mountains and their structure. Then geography, you already know, you are studying the subject, and about the medicine. So research on different subjects has been take place. Another important feature of this research station is that India built a freshwater lake near the Maitri, which was named as Lake Priyadarshini. I think you all know that who is called as the Priyadarshini. Indira Gandhi was called as by the name Priyadarshini. So on her name, that lake is named after Priyadarshini. The location of this research station, Maitri, in the longitude, in the latitude, it is 70° south, and in longitude it is 11° east. If it is remember to you that the South Gangotri is near to the Maitri, its latitudinal extent is 70° south and longitudinal wise it is 12° east and it is 11°. In the map of Antarctica, if we check the location of South Gangotri, we will find here the South Gangotri is there. And Maitri is a little far from here. It has an accommodation of about 25 people. So some of the features of Maitri is here. Now let's talk about the Bharati. Now the third research station of India in Antarctica is Bharati. It is in operational since 18th March 2012 on the trial basis, but started its function in the year 2013. It is the third India's permanent research station. It covers an area of 2,500 square kilometer, which was built by the shipping containers. The sheet of the ship is used in the construction of the structure of the research station. It is 3,000 kilometers away from the Maitri research station. From Maitri research station. Then another feature here, the research has been done on oceanography. In Maitri, the experiments has been done on geology, geography, medicine. Here they are doing the research on the oceanography. Then it is situated on the Lasmin Hills section on the latitude 69 degree south to 76 degree east. The location of the Bharati is around here. Bharati Research Station. So it is the location of South Gangotri. Then here it is the Maitri and then Bharati. From Maitri to Bharati, the distance is about 3000 kilometers. This is all about the research station of Bharati. So we come to know that India set up its 3 research station, Bharati in 2013, Maitri in 1989 and South Gangotri, which was the first research station and set up in the year 1983. So here we have completed our topic, the Indian research station in Antarctica.